like to see a little festive dance?
Ho ho! Welcome back to another episode of KhanFlicks. Today we'll be looking at HeySanta, an all-new robotic Santa that features a big behind. Minus all that, this thing is actually fully capable of programming AI capability where you can have a conversation without any issues. Now this is made by Mongdong, a same company you've seen before that also brought us the Mini Pupper. Now we previously reviewed this robot and I have to say it's one of my favorites. In fact, it is super easy to code and it's actually really educational. This guy here is pretty much the same, allowing you to fully customize it with coding, and it's actually pretty cheap. Now you can actually go and snag yours right now in the link down below in the description on Kickstarter, in which today we'll be unboxing, trying them out, and seeing exactly what is HeySanta all about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and rewind and unbox this guy. Alright, so check it out guys, so this here is our HeySanta box straight from the North Pole, and let's take a closer look. This is cool. I can imagine getting this as a gift and you're probably like, oh, what is this? Santa! HeySanta. Uses 3 AA size batteries that, and then over here it says instructions. Carefully remove this item from the packaging by its base, not by its head or lens.
A few moments later.
Only batteries of the same or equivalent size can be used. Okay, now that we've gotten all those logistics out of the way, let's open this thing up. Oh, we review everything on this channel. It is, voila, a robotic Santa, aka known as HeySanta. HeySanta? How do we turn them on? Okay, so this is where our batteries go. So there's 2 in one leg and 1 in the other leg. He's got some junk in the trunk. That is a fact. Let me what is going on here? Okay, we gotta grab some batteries. Ho ho ho! How do I turn you on? There you go. All right, he's got batteries in and his eyes are on, almost instantaneously. All right, so to kind of show you how this all kind of works out, the first thing you want to do is power it on. Now to do that, there's 2 different ways of doing so. The first one is obviously using the batteries on the bottom here. So you can technically put 3 AA's and you can use this wirelessly without having any kind of plugs into it. And then the other way is on the back. Now it does have a USB-C port which you can find just right over there. So for this sake here, I'll be demonstrating using a power bank, and then you just want to make sure that it does supply enough power by plugging it in. You'll see Santa boot up there, eyes glowing and all. And the first time you do connect it, it will ask you to connect to the Wi-Fi. Simply going into your Wi-Fi browser, you can click onto the Santa, and then from there it will send it to a separate screen where you put your Wi-Fi credentials, and this is it. So to turn them on, just go ahead and push this button right here.
Hey.
How's it going?
I'm doing splendidly. Thank you for asking. The elves are busy at work.
So now do note that it is an AI system built into it. Again, more designed to be Santa, which is pretty cool. But you can talk to it freely. Hey Santa.
Ho ho ho.
Tell me about yourself.
Well, I'm Santa Claus, the jolly fellow who brings gifts to all the good children around the world. I live at the North Pole with my wonderful elves and reindeer.
Now you can also do other things as well. So you can make it dance. You can make it even shake its hips. Watch this. Hey Santa.
Ho ho ho.
Shake your hips.
Oh, a little dance. Are we?
That's too funny. Yeah, so if you want to know why Santa happens to have a surprisingly larger booty than usual, well, that's why. Tell me a joke.
All right, here's one for you. What do you call an elf who sings? A rapper. I hope that brought a smile to your face.
A rapper, get it? All right.
Oh.
Sing Jingle Bells.
All right, about to play Jingle Bells. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
So it kind of shows you some of the capabilities you could do with it by talking to it. Shake your body.
Oh, that sounds like a bit of fun. Would you like me to shake my body for you?
Yes, I would.
All right. Let's get this Christmas party started.
Santa, okay, can you play Joy to the World?
Joy to the world? A splendid choice. Let me get that started for you right away. Now playing Joy to the World.
Tell me a Christmas joke.
Why did the Christmas tree go to the barber? Because it needed a trim. Ha.
How's the weather in the North Pole?
Burr, it's a bit nippy here at the North Pole. We've got plenty of snow. Perfect for making snow angels and keeping the reindeer happy. Just the way we like it for Christmas.
So do note that it does play animations in its eyes. As you saw there was a snowman. And yeah, I mean, it's very cheerful, and I think it's actually a really fun AI assistant. Now, I do like the fact that it can move and it can shake and obviously shake its hips, which I want to see one more time. Hey, Santa, shake your hips.
Oh, you want to see a little Santa shake? All right, here we go. Indeed.
Santa really likes to shake his hips.
Oh, you've noticed that, have you? Well, sometimes I do a little head shaking to make sure all those Christmas wishes are properly sorted. Would you like to see?
Sure.
All right.
Oh, look at him shaking his head now. That is really cool there. What else can you do?
Glad you think so. Well, let me see. I can tell you about Christmas, share stories from the North Pole, and even help you find out when the next holiday is in a specific country. I can also play music. Is there anything in particular you'd like me to do?
My name is Khan.
Khan, it's a pleasure to meet you. Khan, I'm delighted to know your name now. Have you been a good Khan this year?
Have I been a good Khan this year? I mean, I've been making... This is so interesting. Like, you can just have a conversation with it very naturally. I'm not pressing anything. I'm just literally talking, which is really cool. So do you know that you're on camera as we speak?
Oh, a camera? How exciting. I'd love to say something. What would you like me to say?
Just say, hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of KhanFlicks. I'm HeySanta, an all-new robot that recently launched on Kickstarter. Be sure to check out the link down below in the description. And without further ado, let me shake my hips. Then shake your hips.
Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode. I am HeySanta, an all-new robot that recently launched on Kickstarter. Be sure to check out the link down below in the description. And without further ado, let me shake my hips. Anything else I can assist you with?
Alright, so
Goodbye.
press the button right here and you could turn him off, or if you leave him idle for 2 minutes, he'll also turn off. Now this also has the capability for block coding. Let's try that out next. So now moving on to the blocking programming. Now the first thing you want to do is open up the site. So we're at the blocks.mangdong.org, and then we click on connect and click on Santa Bot. Now this connects via Bluetooth. Once connected, we can go and start essentially our blocking programming. So of course you have your conditions, you have your functions, your loops, your main loops, your operations, Santa, and then variables. So from here we can pick and choose and kind of just drag and drop on what we want to do. So let's start off with our main loop of starting, and then we'll do make Santa, actually not do that, we'll do send to Santa, and then we can have it say something. So in this case here we could say hello, KhanFlicks, and hit OK. And from there we can hit stop, and then we'll scroll to the right and hit run program. So this will actually show it step by step on what's happening.
Ho, ho, ho. Hello, KhanFlicks.
Now they also offer a developer kit that you can check out. So there's actually a separate link for that, but you can see right here, you can ask him just about anything, and that's actually pretty darn cool. So yeah, all in all, kind of gives you an idea what the Santa is about. Definitely well worth it, especially if you're into coding or if you like Christmas. Now with that said, feel free to comment down below if you had any questions about Hey Santa. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.